Okay, good morning. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the table modes in Casio fx-570 Classwiz calculator to solve that numerical integral. Okay, this model you can calculate two functions compared to the previous model of fx-570. You get the table mode from some menu. In the calculate menu, go to do normal calculation. You get the table menu. You can go down. Pi is vector, 6 statistic, 7 distribution, 8 is a spreadsheet, like the Excel spreadsheet, 9 table. Then you press equal. Okay. Let's calculate fx equal to x plus 3. To use the variable actually a, b, c, d, e, f, x, y, m. Okay, as a formula in your calculator, the red color you need to press the alpha plus 3. Then you press equal. Okay. This model let you input two functions compared to the previous model. Okay, x squared alpha x squared. This one. Okay, default starting value is actually from 1 and this is 1, step side is 1, step side is increment in 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's say we would like to calculate from negative 5 to 5 with increment 1 unit. Then starting value will change to negative 1. Okay, ending correct, okay, this equal, step side also correct, so you just equal, then you get regulates fx and gx for you simultaneously. You can go down. If you go down again, you press equal, will add up for you. Even though just now we calculate and get x equal to 5, x equal to 5. But in this model, when you press equal, you can automatically increase. Okay, to view the graph, you can press the QR code which is on top of the option button. So to do this, you need to press Shift Options. Okay, and you can use your handphone to scan this QR code. This is the graph. So you can use this to view where is your the intersection of these two graphs to give you a good sleep. If we use equation mode, we can only key in the two simultaneous ingredients. But here we got one quadratic, which is not linear. This is a linear equation. So you can here to locate state where it's we can use this table mode to approximate the integral 1 over 1 plus exponent x dx from negative 2 to 0 by trapezoidal rule with n equal to x. Check your analytical solution using the integral button of your calculator. Go back to mode 1 is a calculating normal calculation. To get the integral, this is the integral button, action button, so 1 plus 3 it puts the lower limit of the integral is negative 2 and the upper limit is 1. So this is exactly value for this definite integral. We use numerical integral in the case, let's say the analytical function is not, we cannot integrate directly, then we use a numerical method. One of it is the simplest, this is a trapezoidal rule. To use trapezoidal rule, you need to calculate the function fx from negative 2 to 0 with increment h. So if they give you the n is 8, so mean you need to calculate the step side h which is a b minus a over n is the number of interval, which is a, b is the upper limit, which is 0, minus the a, which is lower limit, negative 2, so you got 0 plus 2 divided by 8, h is 0.25. Then you can use a table mode to calculate the function fx from negative 2 to 0 with increment 0.25 quickly without calculate it one by one using the calculate menu. And then you can plug in into the trapezoidal rule formula. This defined integral will be equal to your h over 2. This is the first sum, which is actually summation of your f with f0 and f8 in the starting and ending of the f. This is the sum one. The intermediate of f is actually this sum 2 is multiplied by 2. And you plug in here, you get this is a numerical value for this integral. If you compare to the analytical, you have an error because you may increase the n or use higher order formulas such as a Simpson 1/3 or Simpson 3 over its roots. So now let me calculate this function. Go back to the table. X is 1 over 1 plus exponent shift on alpha x. So we have only one function, we just put it 0 for second function. Our starting value is negative 2, so negative 2. The ending value is 0. Step side here, 0.25. Then you can copy it down, you calculate the table with negative 2 with increment 0.25, and this is the fx value. To do your trapezoidal rule, you may separate the f into two columns like here, plug it into the formula, and you can obtain your integral by using trapezoidal rule with n equal to 8. And here, if you just want one function, actually you can control table. I can control here either you want one only. So now only one. So if you want two, go back shift menu, search for set table, then you want number 2. Then the second function, put it 0. Default is actually they display that you input two functions, but if you only want one, you can go to setting at shift menu. Okay, with this, thank you for attention. Here for the table menu in the Casio Classwiz calculator.